In a remote tropical floodplain, a lone traveler confronts a sudden monsoon and learns to read water channels for safe movement. They identify wider eddies and telltale current, seems to plot a floodproof route while keeping bags high and dry. Using fallen logs, vines, and a makeshift raft, they craft a quick paddle system, establishing a secure crossing that minimizes strain. Expert tips emphasize scouting, observations, sheltering options, and signaling if conditions shift unexpectedly. A personal note shares the relief of a careful, measured crossing and the confidence gained.